you're going to learn how to set up your first sales page using some of my favorite tools. And you can see from my payment backend, I've made over $72,901.68 from over 1,100 customers, 5,100 payments, because a lot of them are monthly recurring, using this system I'm going to show you. So let's set up our first sales page. We're going to go and use a tool called nathanlatka.com/ClickFunnels. So feel free to bookmark this so you remember that link. And once you're at this link, you want to go ahead and click member login, or if you haven't signed up, just click start your 14-day free trial. Okay, I love that they have this free trial. Now I have an account, so I'm going to log in. And once I'm logged in, I want to go in here and say build new funnel. ClickFunnels, again, will then show me all these different options of what I can build, ranging from industries like retail, e-commerce, B2B, network marketing, professional services, author, speaker, consultant, and the type of funnel: generate leads, sell a product, create an event, or other. Now, I could choose author, speaker, and sell a product just like this, and I'll go in here and choose two-step tripwire. Okay, perfect. Okay, and then I will go in here and pick which kind of template I want to use. So I'll click this one because I like blue and white, and I'll click Get Funnel. ClickFunnels will then work to actually set up this funnel, and then I can use its drag and drop editor to actually build my first sales page. So let's, first things first, I need to actually connect a product. Now, stay with me here. In order to actually set up a product, I need something called a payment gateway. And I use a site called stripe.com for that. I encourage you to use Stripe as well. Go here and click create an account if you haven't set one up already. You can also use PayPal, but for this demo, we'll use Stripe. Now, once you've set up an account, I'm going to go and click on products and click add new product. And what I want to sell is my example CEO Secrets book. 100 CEOs share how they made $1 million online. Okay. And this book's going to be taking a bunch of my podcast interviews and putting them all together in a hardcover book. So boom, there is the book. All right. I will then scroll down, click save product. Okay. And now that that is saved, what I'll be able to do is add that here on my ClickFunnels backend. So I'll click products. You want to click add product. And under billing integration, I'm going to pick Stripe. Okay, Stripe. If you haven't already integrated Stripe, in ClickFunnels, go up to account and go down to integrations and click payment gateways. Account payment gateways, and boom, you can connect your Stripe account there. All right. So let me go back to my funnel. Okay. So here is my funnel, add product, CEO Secrets book. My integration is Stripe. I'm going to charge $27 for the book in United States dollars. And I want that to display as 27 bucks. Leave this blank right here, okay? We're gonna ignore bumps for now. And for the Stripe integration, we're gonna hit one time. And then you'll say product description again. This is what's gonna appear on your customer's credit card statement, okay? So I'll say CEO Secrets book, create product. Okay, great, there it is. Now I can start building my funnel. Okay, the two-step order. First, I want to go ahead and update my first page, but I also want to open up the website so you can see this is the start. Okay, this is like the template, right? So I have some social proof on the bottom. This upper part I can put a video in and headline, etc. So let me start to customize this by clicking Edit Page. Now, the first thing you want to do is put your headline in. And remember, use the tactics we just talked about in an earlier video on writing headlines to create an ultra-specific, unique, urgent, and useful headline. So for me, I'm going to say 100 CEOs you can learn from today. So it's urgent. 100 CEOs you can learn from today who made 1 million online. Okay, so it's also specific. I'll go ahead and bold some of the important pieces. Perfect. I don't need these up here, so I can delete those. I'll leave this top headline here. Okay, you can put a video in here or not. I'll choose not to have one for right now. And then I can fill this in with some additional text. Okay, this part is pretty self-explanatory. Fill this in with text about your product. Okay, now this is a physical book that I'm shipping, right? So this is the shipping step, the order function. And down here I can add social proof. So I can go in here and maybe change the image if I want of the top part. So maybe I'll put in my own image, right? Or Rand Fishkin from Moz I've got in here, some other people. Okay, so we'll add that image, and you can see that will update, right? We can change the bottom, Nathan Latka. So this is a good place to put social proof, which will help increase conversions. Next, I want to click on go to step 2, okay, and make sure that it's going to go to the right thing, okay? So I'm going to go down here and make sure this all looks good. It looks good. It looks good. And if I want to see what this looks like on mobile, I can do that as well, right? So it looks good on mobile too. Okay, good. So I will go ahead and click save and preview. So there I go. You see the headline updated. I've got my link up here, which is great. I can actually send people to this link. I have my shipping address. All right, I have what people are saying down here, some social proof. And then again, when they go forward, if I put in some dummy information here, Nathan Latka, okay, my phone number, and then your shipping address. Next. And there it is, CEO Secrets book that we set up for at the beginning of this tutorial video, and credit card number, okay? Just like that, that's how it works. Now, if you don't want this bump or other aspects of this template, you can just go back into, right, the order form and actually customize this. I'll go to step 2. And again, let's say that I don't want what they call this bump headline. I can edit those out right here. You can edit those out right there. Okay, good. So that's how you set up your first funnel. Now what I want to do is actually go in here and save this. And it is now live. So I'll refresh. And now I want to take this link, because it's very hard for you to drive traffic to this, because it's hard to actually say, that URL. And I'll log back into my WordPress backend. Remember, I walked you through how to set up your first WordPress blog back in section 2, lecture 6. That's when we set up your first WordPress blog. And make sure you, under plugins, click add new and add the plugin called Pretty Link. We're going to add a new Pretty Link. Now the Pretty Link does exactly what you think it would do. I'll say nathanlatka.com/CEO Secrets book. I'll put in my ClickFunnels URL, right? And click create. Now, and you guys can actually do this on your computer. This is actually a real book that I'm writing, and a real book that a lot of people are going to buy. It'll be a bestseller. You can actually go to nathanlatka.com/CEO Secrets book, and it will take me right to that page we just set up. So the landing page, the checkout, and everything. And that's how you can start printing money like I've done, again, on my Stripe account. This is all the payment information, over $72,000 into my new business. This is a big step, guys. Once you've got your sales funnel set up, you can actually start getting sales. I can't wait to read your reviews where you're using all these digital marketing tactics and you start seeing this kind of income coming in, much like I've done. You're right on the right track. Now, coming up in the next video, we're going to jump into getting your thank you page set up. A lot of people forget your thank you page is highly valuable. Somebody just checked out, they're now on the thank you page. There's a few things you want to do on that thank you page to set yourself up to get even more sales and customer loyalty. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.